Last class you have learned female reproductive system. In this class we will see gametogenesis. This is nothing but birth of gametes. Let's see gametogenesis. Gametogenesis is the process of producing gametes, that is ovum by ovaries and sperms by testes. Gametogenesis is of two types. One is spermatogenesis, that is the formation of sperms by testes. Other than that, we can say it is the production of males. Next one is oogenesis. Oogenesis is the formation of ova in the ovary. Next we will see briefly about spermatogenesis. Already I said spermatogenesis. It means the process of production of males. Already you have learnt briefly the structure of testes. Once again I am repeating the same. Testis is internally divided into about 250 compartments. That is testicular lobules. Each lobule has 1 to 3 highly coiled structure called seminiferous tubules. Inside of these tubules, two types of cells are there. They are male germ cells and Sertoli cells. These immature germ cells produce sperms when puberty starts. These male germ cells, otherwise called as spermatogonia, singular spermatogonium. These spermatogonia undergo mitotic division and increase in numbers. Already you know that mitosis is one of the cell division. It helps to increase the number of cells but maintaining the same number of chromosomes. Here also each spermatogonium consists of 46 chromosomes. Here some of the spermatogonia considered as primary spermatocytes. These spermatocytes periodically undergo meiotic division or reduction division. Here also the number of chromosomes reduced into half. The primary spermatocytes undergo first meiotic division, which results in two equal haploid cells called secondary spermatocytes. The number of chromosomes in secondary spermatocytes has 23 numbers. Next, the secondary spermatocytes undergo meiosis II to produce 4 equal haploid spermatids. Each spermatid has only 23 chromosomes. These spermatid transformed into sperms. That process is called spermiogenesis. Here, each sperm also has only 23 chromosomes. Next, sperm's head are embedded in the Sertoli cells. From here, sperms are finally released from the seminiferous tubules. This process is called as spermiation. Once again, you remember that spermiogenesis means spermatids are transformed into sperms. Then spermiation means sperm's heads are embedded in the Sertoli cells. And it is finally released from seminiferous tubules. Observe the given picture. That is enlarged portion of seminiferous tubules. Practice this diagram. Here the spermatogenesis in male is given in the flowchart form. At puberty, spermatogonia, that is immature germ cells, undergo mitosis and produce large numbers. In the flowchart showing single spermatogonium, that is considered as primary spermatocytes, which carries 46 chromosomes, undergo meiosis I. The results of these diad cells, which carry 23 number of chromosomes. That diad cells are called as secondary spermatocytes. These diad cells undergo meiosis II, results in the formation of 4 equal spermatids. These also carry the same number of chromosomes, that is 23 numbers. Next, the spermatids are transformed into sperms, that is spermatozoa. Finally, these sperms released from the seminiferous tubules, which is present in the testes. Let's see role of hormones in spermatogenesis. At puberty, in males, the hypothalamus, one of the endocrine gland, starts secreting gonadotropin releasing hormone. This hormone acts on the anterior pituitary gland and stimulates to secrete follicle stimulating hormones. They are FSH, that is follicle stimulating hormone, and LH, that is luteinizing hormone. The follicular stimulating hormones enters the testis, stimulating the Sertoli cells and stimulate the secretion of some factors which help in the process of spermiogenesis. Then luteinizing hormones also enters the testis, stimulating the interstitial cells or Leydig cells to make and release testosterone into the testis and the blood. Testosterone is responsible for the secondary sexual characteristics that is developed in the male during adolescence. It stimulates the process of sperm's production in the testis. Observe the given structure of a sperm. Each sperm consists of the following parts. They are a head, neck, a middle piece and a tail. The whole body of a sperm is covered by plasma membrane. Let's see the parts of a sperm one by one. First, head. It has an elongated haploid nucleus and front portion of the head is covered by a cap-like structure called acrosome. This acrosome is filled with enzyme. This enzyme helps to break down the wall of ovum during fertilization. Next is the neck portion. It has two centrioles, that is proximal centriole and distal centriole. The proximal centriole is necessary for first cleavage division of zygote. Then the distal centriole gives axial filament of tail. Let's see the next part, that is middle piece. It consists of many mitochondria. Already you know the function of mitochondria, that is the powerhouse of the cell. Here also mitochondria provide energy for the movement of tail. Last part of the sperm is tail. Tail consists of an axial filament. Already I said this axial filament gives by distal centriole, which is present in the next portion of the sperm. Here tail is helped to move inside the female reproductive tract towards the ovum for fertilization.